Hello everyone, we are Group 6 presenting user story estimation for Facebook through planning poker assessment. Throughout the user stories, we will be discussing the main features that we will be implementing for Facebook. This mocks meeting is going to take 10 to 15 minutes to discuss our user story and its estimation. Why we're choosing planning poker or affinity is purely because it's a consensus driven agile estimating and planning approach, and it quantifies what needs to be quantified, and then we talk about the personality, the functionality, and decide an estimate for Facebook altogether. We'll be using Ustry, an agile application, to carry out this method. Now the project owner is going to explain the user story we have picked out for this assignment.
Hello everyone, this is Azadeh, the project owner, and I'm going to explain how we are going to use the planning poker for estimating the point of this user story. First, I will going to read the user story for all of us, and then I want you to choose a score for this user story on your app using your app, and I will count, and all of us in a moment show the number on the screen. So after that, we are going to discuss about that why all of us have shown this score for this user story, and then come to conclusion. Okay, I'm going to read the story. As a general user, I need to connect with family, friends, coworkers, so that I can stay virtually connected. The inputs are personal information, educational background, work experiences, and the output are increased social circle and better network. The importance and urgency of this user story is really high because it's one of the main or most main concept of the Facebook. So, guys, if you are ready, I will count up to 3 and show me your scores, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 8, 13, and 5. So Grishma is the highest score, and the Push have the lowest one. Would you please, Grishma, told for speak about this for Push and explain why do you give this high score to this user story?
Hello everyone, my name is Garishma Bhatia and thank you so much for story to us. My name is Garishma Bhatia and I gave the highest points to this user story because I strongly believe that Facebook has the potential to be one of the top social media platforms on this planet. And this is my reason is because Facebook has a very simple user interface. We have created an interface through which you can just click on add friend and you can add that person as a friend. You can also follow that person and you can follow what that person is doing with his day-to-day life, the activities. So be it a teenager or an adult or even an elderly person, for everybody it's the same. You just click on add friend and you get connected with that person. It is that simple. And to just message that person, you have an option of sending a message all over the world. So that is an added advantage that you can message and call and basically get on video calls all over the world anytime. And also, it has one more advantage that Facebook persists to your likes. If you have a thing for gaming, then Facebook has a separate section for gaming, Facebook Gaming. If you have a thing for suppose cooking or cleaning or basically buying anything, so Facebook has a different separate place called Marketplace for that. And even whatever ads you want to watch, Facebook will track those ads down and then we will show that kind of ads to you. So Facebook has that level. It is easy to use for the users and also for the third parties, and for Facebook, it is easy to, it targets the audience. So that is why it is easy for the third party apps and other websites also. And that is why everybody has, Facebook has everything for everybody. It's gaming or cooking or shopping or even dating or even neighborhood. You can go on what is going on in your neighborhood by just, by a click of a button. And that is why I strongly believe that Facebook has the potential of growing, to billions of people, and we can have over 5 billion users in the near future. So I strongly believe that Facebook has the potential, and that is why I give the highest points to Facebook, this story.
Thank you, Grishma. And Pushpa, do please explain why do you give the 5 for this 5 point to this user story?
Hi, my name is Push Panjwani and I have given 5 points. Being a finance coordinator, I have to look into each and everything which includes cost or revenue. Maybe it's maintenance, maybe it's running the app or maintaining the number of downloads, the revenue generated through the number of downloads, the clicks per ads, and a lot of things. But in terms of revenue generation, we have very less options. We can go with third party commissions, or maybe Amazon ties with us and sells their products through Facebook. Like Girishma said, like if somebody is browsing for a product, we can track that link and show that person that we have this offer for you. So the third party earns. We don't have much options. In future, we may have a lot of options, but now they are pretty less. Also, we go with internet. We use internet for running Facebook. The internet supplier earns. What do we earn? Nothing, just the commission. So each and everything rolls in Facebook. It's commission. It is commission, nothing else. So I have given 5 points. That is the lowest. That is only because we are not earning much and we are spending a lot. We, as a finance coordinator, I have to look into revenue generation, commission and stuff, payroll, bookkeeping, and a lot of things. That is pretty much about finance.
Okay, thank you. Surav, do you want to add something?
Yeah, so I'm
Thank you.
sort of Manar Krail, and I have to add to Girishma's point because based on what I've read, I believe the story is core to the function of the application that we're trying to build. Having social connection is the most important thing of a social media app. And the idea is to bring users to a community where they can connect with their family, friends, and coworkers easily. So the idea behind this application is to stay virtually connected to just sustain relationships as we're coping with the pandemic. So during this time, the application opens up a number of doors that we can create on most of the offline world into a virtual world. And features such as community building, dating, and self-marketing can be brought in when we establish a number of users into this application. So I believe number 8 would be a decent point to give to this user story.
Okay, anybody wants to talk or discuss something? No? So
Well,
you
I
want
just
to add,
wanted
okay.
to add, yeah, I just wanted to add a point that like in near future, we are also thinking about introducing metaverse to the Facebook. So it is just an idea that we've thought on the back end office, and we've been, thinking about how to promote it. So that is why, as a social media and digital marketer, I know that we have been thinking about it. So metaverse is a total different virtual universe, you can say, but it will be related to Facebook. So whoever is connected to Facebook will have access to metaverse. So I believe that metaverse will also add to Facebook's users, and that is why Facebook, has a lot of potential to grow in the future.
Sorry. Okay, great. So if none of you want to add something else, we are going to do the planning poker again and explore this user story. I will count on up to 3 and please show me your score. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so well, everybody give the score 13. So we come into conclusion to have the point 13 for this user story. Thank you very much, guys, for your participation. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.